Well, hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel. If this video has found you, trust your intuition and know you've been divinely guided. If something does resonate, please consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get started. Hello, my friends. Your message for today. You have a situation that you might be walking away from very, very soon. You're being guided to go on an inner journey and find introspection within. You may be feeling confused lately. You may be feeling like all of the time and effort and blood, sweat, and tears you put into something is just not working out. And it might be time to let it go. As soon as you do let that go, you have brand new endeavors coming in. I'm seeing a white unicorn. You have endeavors of manifestation, a new foundation, a dream come true, forward movement, new ideas, things moving in your favor. You also have the magic of attainment around you. With patience and tenacity, you can attain whatever it is that you were looking for. This has to do with love and money. You have both in your future. It's time to act on those. When we leave the Eight of Cups, we move on to the Nine of Cups. The Nine of Cups is our dream come true. What is your dream come true? What would make you so happy? Can you think of that now? What comes to your mind? There are so many possibilities when you have wishful thinking and you can dream big. The trick to this and the magic to this is determination, willpower, control of your emotions and balance, control of impulses. Also, generosity. If you give freely without asking for anything back, without expectations of anything back, you will receive more than what you need from the universe, because that is the way the universe works. Sharing, charity, kindness, all that awaits you once you move forward. But you are being urged to move on, move forward. That is your divine message. Move forward. You must move on to get the beautiful things you want to attain. In your future now, you have new love. You have a legacy that you can leave, an inheritance you will be able to leave to your offspring, to your family. You also have a beautiful mate, someone coming in to help you, someone coming in that it will be perfect for you. Ten of Cups energy and Ten of Pentacles energy, they're both promising. They're both telling us that it is this, what we want is attainable in this life, on this plane, in this dimension. But you must take action. Be open to adventure. Be open to following your passion, putting your energy where it needs to be. It needs to be on you, and it needs to be on forward movement and manifestation. It is very important that you think on what you want. If you've had pain in your past, if you've had people not telling you the truth, lies, deception in your past, that is over with now. As soon as you move forward, you must look at your life, step back, pause, let go of what you're holding on to. If you make that sacrifice to step away, look at things in a different perspective, your foundation will be changed. Your foundation, you will have a new foundation. Remember, when old foundations crumble, new foundations come in, stronger and better. You're a born leader. You have vision, success, intention, courage in your future. If you decide to be a mentor to someone, you have such bold leadership and charm about you and courage about you. There's no way that you could ever fail. You have self-mastery. You have discipline. You are a beautiful, beautiful being. You have balance, patience, inspiration. You may go through a transformation at this time, but know that this transformation is going to be a wonderful outcome. It will lead you to all the pinnacles, all the happiness that you are waiting for. You have so much going on. People are going to be watching you, looking up to you. You're going to have victory and success with your ambition. You will have harmony and bliss with your well-being. But you must take action, my friend. You must embrace your own creativity. What comes natural to you, embrace that. Follow your passion. You are going to have transformation, love, and passion in your life, as well as pinnacles showered upon you. Expect this, know this, and feel this. Should you do so, I would suggest, I'm hearing you must meditate at least 11 minutes a day. This will help you with your manifestations. Meditation is very simple, it is not religious, and it can help you bring through the ideas that your higher self is trying to give to you. Okay? This is the end of your... That is all for now. From the bottom of my heart, I wish you love, peace, positivity, light, and blessings. Until next time, bye-bye.